Hey guys, in the previous videos we discussed about Apple ID, how to set up Apple ID on your Mac and how to allow and disallow features on your iCloud or on your Apple ID. As well, we discuss about family sharing, how do you allow family sharing or your family members to share your purchase items or your storage. So today we will discuss about general preferences on Mac. On your Mac, use General System Preferences to change the overall appearance of Mac OS X. Specify how you use scroll bar, windows and tabs and enable some features if available. So the number one is appearance. Choose the appearance for buttons, menus and windows on your Mac. First one is use a light or dark. The third one is auto. Light provides a light appearance that doesn't change, and dark provides a dark appearance so the content you are working on stands out, while window is control seem to auto gradually adjust the appearance. The third one is auto. Auto will automatically adjust the appearance from light or to dark throughout the day. Next is accent color. Choose the color to use the buttons, pop-up menus and other user interface. If I choose blue, the menu color will be changed into blue. Same purple, pink, red and so on. So you can change the color of buttons, pop-up menus and other from here. So next one is highlight color. You can also change the highlight color from here. If I choose highlight color will be in yellow, and let me show you. If I select some feature, you can see the highlight color is changed into yellow. If I change into blue, the highlight color will be in the blue. So the next one is sidebar icon size. By default it's set in large, but you can change it in medium, small as you required. Let me show you. If I open Finder, here you can see the sidebar icon size is set to large. When I change it in small, you can see the sidebar icon size change into small. Same you can set in medium. By default it's set in large, so you can change from here. Allow wallpaper tinting in window. It's mean allow colors from the desktop picture to subtly tint certain windows areas such as toolbars on status bar. So let me show you. If I change my desktop background into dark, here you can see the status and color is adjusted into your wallpaper. So if I uncheck, the shade will be automatically switch into light mode. Next one is show scroll bars. Show scroll bars appear in a window when their content that does not fit into windows. current size, choose option to control when scroll bars in shown. Let me show you. In Finder, by default scroll bar is not showing, and when I scroll down from my mouse, then the scroll bar is showing up. And when I click, when scrolling the sidebar, scroll bar is showing up. And you can set is always, if you want to show scroll bar always on, you can just check this from here. Next one is click the scroll bar to jump to the next page, jump to the spot that's clicked. So let me show you. When I open a PDF file and my scroll bar set to jump next page, here I am on page 1. When I click the scroll bar, I will automatically jump into the next page. But if I choose jump to the spot that's clicked, it means when I click the scroll will switch automatically, split into that area where I am going to click. Next one is by default. You can choose default web browser from here. I'm using Safari to use my default browser, but you can choose which browser you want to add by default. Just click anyone. Prefer tabs. When you open the new tab in existing video, you can set prefer tabs from here. When you open a document, you can set, it will ask you never or it will open in full screen. As well, if you uncheck this tab, the document doesn't ask you to keep changes. Next one is close window when quitting the app. When you quit the app, the all window will be automatically quit. Recent item, you can change the recent item from here. Let me show you. If I choose only 5 recent items will be show in my Word document, I'm going to show my recent, only 5 items is showing here. If I choose to show up my 30 recent items, it will show my maximum 30 recent items will be showing here. Quit, and you can see. So you can choose how many recent items you want to show up. Last one is allow handoff between this Mac and your iCloud services. You can allow or disallow from here to a handoff. We will discuss in next videos how to use handoff. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.